Hello everybody, welcome back to Bone and Henry TV. Today we have another Audubon bird video. And it's been a while since I've done one. It was a couple of years ago since I last did a video. So, I'm going to do a new one. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you my top 10 favorite birds. And then a new bird at the end. So, we hope you enjoy this video. So, the 10th bird is the rock ptarmigan, and I really like this bird, but I'm starting from 10 to number 1, and then this is my 10th favorite bird, and this is the rock ptarmigan, and there's that, and this is what his sound is. This and that is the rock ptarmigan. I'll just put him right here. And then for my 9th favorite bird, it is actually, I'm not sure what the name of this bird is. It is some sort of Hawaiian bird, I know that, but I took the tag off and I can't remember the name. And so, if you know the name, well, if you know the name, then wait a minute, I'm not even sure if YouTube is actually even doing comments anymore. So, if you know what this bird is, then, I won't be able to know. I'll probably look it up, but, then you'll just know. But this is the sound of this bird. Oh, wait a minute! Oh, man, I think I know what the name of this bird is. Oh, man, I will do another video showing the name of this bird, and I remember what it is, but I will do another video showing what the name of it is. So we're gonna put him right here, and then for my 8th favorite bird, this is the Echoheck, but it's also this is like a crested honey creeper. This is the crested honey creeper. Right here it actually says, is that its name, or is it really the crested honey creeper? I don't know. I'll have to look at that, but this is the crested honey creeper sound. It's a very cool sound that it makes. And now for my 7th favorite bird is the cactus wren. This is the cactus wren. It is like it's one of the birds from a while ago. I'm just gonna take this sticker off. There we go. Sticker's off now because I know where to press. But unfortunately, the cactus wren is actually broken, and I'm going to see if I can get him fixed, but that is the cactus wren. Now for number 6, I think. This is my 6th favorite bird. This is the scissor-tailed flycatcher. And I really like him just because of the colors and his tail. Scissor-tailed flycatcher. And this is his sound. And then for my 5th favorite bird, we have the great egret. See the great egret. And I really like this bird. this was one of my favorite birds, but I really actually don't know what these strings are for back here. Maybe it's the tail or something. I don't know, but it's the great egret, and this is his sound. Yeah, I like the great egret because he has that green around his eyes and the beak. So that's number 5. And now for number 4, I have to reach way over here. We have the great gray owl. This is actually a pretty cool bird. And this is his sound. It's not really different from the great horned owl, but it does have a small difference, though. I'll have to compare their sounds sometime. And now for number 3. Oh man, I have to reach way over here. This is the California condor. It is like one of the coolest birds I have ever seen. Like, I've never seen an Audubon bird with, like, wings this long. Like, it's kind of cool that it's really big wings. And I really like this one. It's just so cool. And then I will sound him. Oh, no. Looks like the California condor's voice box is at the end of its time. Well, it's a tiny portion if you can hear. But still, it's kind of sad. This is like a bird that I got several years ago. It was really cool, but these last 2, it was really hard to decide between them, but this is number 2. This is the turkey, and this is actually the first Audubon bird that I ever got. And I really love this one. It is the first one I ever got. And it is so cool. And here's his sound. Yeah, yes, a very cool bird. And we're gonna just put the turkey over here. And then way over here, this is my very favorite. It is the Roadrunner. This is like my favorite bird of all time. With the blue and red on his eyes. It is so cool. I love Roadrunners in real life. I've actually never seen one in real life, but it is just a very cool bird. But unfortunately, his sound still doesn't work. If you remember, I showed you this bird in one of my videos that I did a very long time ago, and we'll just put him over here. But now, that is my top. It's from my 10th. It's from my